long story short, let's get to some of the big ups. My first big up, always there as soon as I put videos up, my boy Les Lethal Bandit. Big up my boy Les Lethal Bandit and go check his channel out. Always supports no matter what. Another big up, Black Powder Papa. Always supports. Every video is there showing some love, showing likes, and I appreciate it. The love's reciprocated, Black Powder. And Les Lethal for Dummies, he always comes through, drops a comment, shows some love, and like I said, reciprocate the love to all these people. And not that nobody else does it, but these are people that just comment all the time and they like all the time, so I know that they're there. And if it's anybody else that is supporting, hey man, say something in the comments. I